You guys ask about product all the time, so we have some samples here.
Oh.
Some new stuff, baby.
Dang, you're like...
I don't want to get your guys' feedback. Tell me what you think. Bam!
Hey, that was mine.
Whoops.
Okay. Do I get one?
Do you like it?
Yeah, I think it's sick.
Oh, you got some sweaty?
Oh! What's good? That's hard. That's hard, right?
It's hot as hell today.
Got the camo with the white. He doesn't look so excited about those, but I know you'll be excited about these.
Nah, I rock.
Go to the website. What's up? Yeah, you want these glasses? Don't go to the website. premiumautostyling.com. Hey, these are fly. These are fly. I like these. I'm gonna have to get a pair.
What's up, guys? It's David from Premium, and we're finishing up the Raptor, but we have a new project in the shop right now. It's a Volkswagen Golf R, and as you guys can see, it was already wrapped by another shop. The car was wrapped in August, but the customer wasn't really happy with it, so it's always cool for me to go ahead and take a look at where the problem points are. That way I can kind of decide like what's the best route to take with some of those issues on this vehicle.
So, can like going over here, I showed them clips already of the bumper. Can you kind of explain why would it do this? If you guys can't tell, let me scoot back a little bit so you know this. So it's like starting to bubble right there where it's rubbing. So can you like maybe like why is that happening?
This is happening because the points from the bumper, or sorry, from the fender to the bumper, they're too tight together, and when you roll it over, the wrap begins to kind of rub against itself, and that's what ends up happening. This starts to come out. So same thing right here with the headlight. So
how are we gonna avoid that? With
something like this, maybe we'll put like a spacer in there, like a small little washer to have like a small gap, but nothing too crazy. But yeah, this is kind of one of those things where it's like you don't really know it happens until once you put it on and it's too tight.
All right, so what we're gonna do now is Anthony is going to unwrap the car. We are still in the middle of wrapping the Raptor. If you guys haven't seen that project yet, go check it out. There's 2 videos on that. And this is now our new series is going to be the Type R, and also our new designers here, our Golf R, Type R, Golf R, sorry. Our new designer's here, and he kind of just did something cool. So he just put this yellow tint over the chrome, and it literally looks gold, which obviously looks really good on this car because it's black. So comment down below, let us know what you guys think. We might be doing this for some chrome pieces, maybe, Jack?
Maybe doing like the red and the yellow tint to make it give it that like anodized, like bright look.
Alright guys, so you just saw me and Hefe unwrap this car. It was wrapped with satin black, and now we're back to its stock color, which is white. David's worst enemy. So we're gonna dive into disassembly right now on this car.
Okay, the Golf R is inside there. Apparently, from what I heard, I was not here, but that vehicle was already wrapped, so we've done the unwrap already. But before we get started, I got something that I want to show you guys. We got something cool. These will be on the website by now. You guys ask about product all the time. Check out the Supra. She's bad.
She's bad.
You guys ask about product all the time, so we have some samples here.
Oh.
Some new stuff, baby.
Dang, you're like...
I don't want to get your guys' feedback. Tell me what you think.
One right there.
So we got the It's like a khaki brown with the camo hoodie. You got the Dodger blue, Nipsey blue.
What does that say on there? World champs.
And then, what's this?
Okay.
LA
Leakers.
Yep. Premium world champs.
Oh,
I
this
love
one
it.
mine? Then you just do it on a
This
dirty
is you
car?
right here, baby.
Oh,
This is
messed
you.
up.
This is your
one
sample.
Is sick right here.
I really like it, dude.
Bring it to light so they can actually see the purple. That's sick.
By the time you watch this vlog, these hats are already gonna be available. What's cool about Apparel is I get to put kind of my flavor to it, things that I like. I've been into camo lately. Camo and the orange always looks cool, so we did these. These are fly, right?
I like those.
I really dig this.
I'm just gonna take that
yep,
one
that's
right
you,
now,
baby. Multicam with the white. We made these as a sample one time in the past. I think a few of us around the shop have it, and every time we wear it, somebody in the shop is like, dude, I want that. Where can I get that? Or one of you guys ask us, where can I get that? They're available on the site now. Go pick them up, premiumautostyling.com. If we've ever gave you any value in any type of way, ever, this is a way you can show appreciation. You don't have to. We're definitely not saying, hey, go buy from us, but you know, it does help. It really does. So, premiumautostyling.com. Go to the website. What's up?
You can see that the car is fully disassembled. We have it all prepped up. And I'm passing you guys on to Adrian. He's gonna be wrapping this car, so there you go.
Yes, check it out. Like you said, the car's ready to wrap. I don't know if you guys noticed, but this is the kind of things that I noticed. Look at how the car's assembled. I've been to a couple shops. They don't do this, you know. So, you know, you definitely get your money's worth here at this shop, Premium. You know, like this enables me to get like full coverage.
Adrian just brought to my attention that we're working with the 2080 series from 3M. 3M recently switched over from the 1080 and now having the 2080 series with some of their colors, meaning that they have some different, I say, technology into the film. And right now, as I'm laying it, I was wondering why the panel or the vinyl is a little thicker. It's because this particular film, this color, has a cap on it. If you guys don't know what a cap is basically a protective layer over the film, over the color, so it does add a little bit of thickness to it. As I was laying the panel, I knew right away, I was like, it's not really conforming, but it's because it has a cap. I just thought I'd throw that in there. We'll work with the 2080 series film. The color's called, I think it's Gloss Storm Gray? Storm Gray. Yep. Storm Gray. So if you guys are asking, you're wondering what film we're using, 3M 1080 Gloss Storm Gray.
Damn, is everyone just icy today?
This is the
Wait till we got
work
rollies on.
Look at everyone.
Blueface, baby.
All right, so let them know how hectic today is while everyone's rapping.
Today's
right
been, you know what? Every day is hectic. I don't know why you're saying like today's like especially
I feel like
hectic
today's
day.
especially hectic.
It's always hectic. You know, we always got so many things going on, from the online store to vehicle wrapping to bringing a car in for window tint to dealing with customer service, especially Mondays. You know, when we're out for Saturday and Sunday, people don't like that. People don't like when we have days off. You know, they're blowing us up on email on Sunday night. Where's my order? I'm like, dude, we're not even at work yet. Give us a couple hours. So orders are in the system. If you order from our website, thank you guys so much. Be patient with us. Getting into holiday season, it gets really busy, especially with the new Fly merch dropping. I want to say thank you to the people that on Instagram said they already won it. So thank you guys.
Taking shots?
Yeah, Anthony's in there. You know, that's what the, woo! Got the pizza. Pizza. You don't want to talk about why we're getting pizza, do you? Let me see your face. Can we say it on the vlog?
All right, so
Someone fucked up.
so look at this. This is a peace offering because the Raptor, I kind of messed up a part on the Raptor, of the wrap only, and David had to come on a day after we wrap it, so I bought everyone the shop pizza.
No, he bought David pizza. And David's sharing with us.
Yeah.
I guess that's how.
He made you go pick it up?
I know.
Pizza is different, man, especially when
Look, I even
You're
balled
not the
out.
one. You're not the one that f***ed up.
Bro, I haven't balled out. I got the extra modes for you. The crazy thing is, I messed up.
Yeah?
And I bought pizza for everyone else but you. And you own the business.
Everything in this building is mine. I'm gonna go take a piece. Get him on the vlog like 5 times a day. I want people to know who he is.
Let them know who you are. Let them know.
David.
What's your name? Wait, what's your name?
David. D2.
Hey,
Right.
you
That's
see the
right,
comments?
boy.
You
David.
see the comments? Somebody said that he looked like a salsa dancer. I googled it. Somebody said, "Hey, David looks just like my man. He's a salsa dancer," and they gave him his name and they told me to Google it. So I googled it, bro. You look just like.
Here, stand right here. Let me see you dance. Let me see your best dance move.
Beep beep.
That's all I know.
You can see it on the vlog when he edits it. That shit was funny. Whoever commented that, keep your comments coming.
Anyways, D2, let them know who you are.
David D2, designer here, product designer, graphic designer stuff.
Lead design. Say it. Say it.
Lead designer.
Lead designer. There you go.
All right, so I see this question all the time.
Right.
And you're using the tool now. So what are the 3 like necessary tools they're gonna need to wrap a car? Because you got a lot of gauges and gadgets in that bad boy.
Yeah.
So like give them like the 3 tools that they need to wrap a car.
I mean, dude, honestly, when I started rapping, all you really need is one of these guys. It don't matter which one.
What are the names?
So these are squeegees. So you got the wet edge, and then this is like a dry application squeegee. This one's a little bit more, you know, like flimsy versus this one. This one's a lot more stiff. So I use this, you know, laying big panels. You know, I'll bust out this guy when it comes into tucking, just because, you know, it's a little bit more, you can manipulate it more.
And what are those bad boys called?
These are little micro squeegees, little, you know, tucking tools. Yeah, these are multi-purpose. You know, you could use these to pick up rubbers. You know, I'll show you an example over here. You know, you could pick up these little rubbers when you tuck it in this quarter panel. See that? Lifts it right up. So what you do in this situation when you have vinyl there, you're lifting with one and you're tucking in with the other, just like that.
Oh, okay. You got your little 2-finger motion.
Yeah, it's a little 1-2 punch. You know?
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, squeegee, blade, these guys right here. You know, you could use that tool that David got when you put these vinyl. What's called a slitty.
It's
just like
Smitty.
Schnitty. A schnitty. Smitty. You get one of those. It's real convenient. It's fast.
That's why I had a photo.
I thought you did satin dark gray.
Oh, I did. With white
I'll
lettering.
fix it.
Okay, let's just make some colors available.
Yeah.
Crazy day. I'll keep saying it. Crazy day. A bunch of different questions getting thrown at me, but I wanted to show you guys something. So if you've been tuning into the vlog long enough, and now even in this vlog, you see the dynamics of what goes on here at this shop. There's a lot. It's not just wrapping cars, and I think that's why we've been able to be successful, because we've kind of tapped into a bunch of different parts of the market. One of the main things that happens here, and the reason why the shipping room is always busy, and the reason why you guys met D2 today, David, is he's our product designer. You know, he's here designing product for us on a daily basis, brand new to the team. But I wanted to show you a little bit of the process. I know the sun is in the camera, but I wanted to talk about it. We have the Mercedes in for window tint. Why the car is here, we're also templating this vehicle. And what we're gonna be doing is, you see it laid out in white right now, but the idea here is to create a smoked pattern to smoke out this area of the taillight, just to give it a little bit more aggressiveness. I'll show you what it looks like OEM with nothing on it. So this is your clear backup light. And the plan with this light, when I see that tail light, I see multiple different variations of tail light overlay vinyl options. This is something that you can do at home. This is something that anybody can, you know, buy, do it in their garage, and just take their CLS 63 to the next level. Add a little bit of customization, because hey, if you already have a CLS 63, why don't you make it even cooler? That's what we're here for. That's what we're gonna do. is a product that you want designed for your particular vehicle, comment below. Let us know what you drive. We're happy to hear what our fans, what our viewers are driving, because we want to create product for you. This car came in today for window tint, and while I was here, we created a tail light overlay and a headlight overlay, and the customer's super happy with them. So it's just these little things that we're able to do as the car's here. We create the product right now, but now this product is available to the world. So anybody who drives a CLS 63 now has the ability to put a premium auto styling product on their car, and that makes me happy, and I want to be able to do that for you guys. So if you guys do have a car, most of you guys do, I assume, go to the website, go to premiumautostyling.com right now, test us. Go to the site, put in the search bar, put your particular vehicle, year, make, and model. If we don't have a product for your car yet, come back to this video and let us know. We want to know because we want to help out. We want to contribute. We want to create products for you guys, specifically made for your cars. You know, you guys know we wrap cars. You see that all the time in these vlogs. But I think in today's vlog, you really seen the dynamic of this shop. You can see why sometimes we're super stressed out, because there's a lot going on, more than just the wrap going on. I don't want to discredit my guy over here because he's been killing it all day. But
The new guy is
killing it. Killing it. Super.
They've seen the car come in,
Yeah.
they've seen disassembly, they've seen unwrapped disassembly, you know what I mean? And then now
Super
we're starting to
thankful
wrap.
for you guys watching, super thankful for the staff, everybody doing their thing. You guys don't see what exactly goes on. There's even more going on. There's a Tesla getting dropped off out there. I don't know if we filmed that, but this requires every element of the company to be on point. Like I said earlier in the vlog, we got wrap installers, we got dismantlers, we got vehicle prep. All of these things are super important for the wrap side. But on top of that, we got the online sales. We got our shipping, who has to be on point, making sure products are going out right. We got customer service, answering the phone for any calls that may be coming through. And now we have this coming in. We have a wrap removal. Car was wrapped elsewhere, customer wasn't happy, we're unwrapping it for him. A lot of stuff going on throughout the day, guys. We want to thank you guys once again for watching. At 300,000 subscribers, we're giving away a car wrap. If you guys didn't know that, if you're new here on the channel, if you've been here for the 3 years that we've existed on YouTube, we appreciate you. But once we hit 300K, we're giving a car wrap away. What we're gonna do is we're gonna randomly pick a subscriber, and we're gonna come to your house, we're gonna wrap your car wherever you are. It doesn't matter what you drive, where you're at on the planet, we fly to you. We've done it twice already, we're gonna do it again. I'm gonna end the rant here because it's been a crazy long day and we've still got a lot to do. We'll see you guys tomorrow in the next vlog.